obviously they have all these bays with tires now. They used to not have any of this shit. What's up, guys? Here at Air in Leesburg area. So these are our titanium nitride gold BCGs, made out of the same material as our NITRIDE BCG, just a little enhanced. Got this beautiful gold look, nice and polished. We're gonna run it in our machine gun, so I'm gonna switch it out. We're gonna run rounds.
Alright guys, we're back at the shop after range day. Got the gold bolt here that we ran a bunch of full auto through. Pretty much tortured the thing. Josh sprayed it down a little bit at the range, so now we're just going to clean it up and show you guys what it looks like after shooting a bunch of full auto through it. And we're also taking this out on Sunday and we're going to run some more through it and continue torture testing this thing. Yeah, like I said guys, Josh cleaned it a little bit at the range. We sprayed some parts cleaner on it. I'm going to scrub it down and show you guys what it looks like. Little cheat for you guys, we use an old firearm pin that's kicking around to pop this cotter pin out. As you guys can see, this cleans up so nicely. Just gonna spray some lube real quick. Alright, there you guys go. Gave you a quick little rundown what it looks like after we tortured this thing with a bunch of full auto fire and how well it actually cleans up. So you can get these right now on our website. They are available in limited quantities and they do go fast. Again, like I said, on Sunday we're going to go back out. We're going to continue torture testing this thing and we'll keep you guys posted.